Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. Nice cold, windy day today. This is the start of another full remodel. Going to be starting with redoing this privacy fence. You just asked us to stop it at this corner. This side of the fence is in good condition. Once the fence is done, we're headed inside. We're doing treated 4x4 posts and 50 pounds concrete. Treated rails. Makara and Jose are starting the demolition. The material staged up. This fence was in bad shape. Roofed a lot of those houses over in that neighborhood. Using a metal gate frame. Big improvement over these old fabricated wood ones. Get this finished and move inside. So if we can help you out with your outdoor living space projects, privacy fences, decks, pool enclosures, please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching.